When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see.
Hi guys, it's me again. Alright guys, today I have 8 cars come to our shop, install Android interface. Come, let's have a look. So most importantly, this customer have add on our 360 camera. So here's the 360 view. So you can see your surrounding. Camera view, reverse, signal view, and double signal view. So our 360 also will link with your sensor system. So as you can see, when you go nearer, it will be showing the sensor radar. And it will be linking back to your guideline. So as you can see, this is the original system. If you want to go into Android system, it's very easy. Home button from stand control or the home button from touchpad. Press 1, 2, 3. We'll be going inside Android system. So in Android system here, we'll be having TTS Sound Surround, Play Store, YouTube, and you can also install Netflix. Alright, that's about it guys. So if you are looking for Android system or Android player, you can look for us. Here's our location. So like, comment, share!